Just installed my Flowmaster Super 40 on my 2011 Gmc Sierra 5.3 liter, and so I'll give it a start up and you guys can see how it sounds. It sounds pretty good. It's not that much louder than the stock muffler, but it sounds a lot better. Okay, here we go. And I'll give it a couple revs. I guess I'll put my phone down so you can hear it. All right. Ooh. So there you go. It's a relatively cheap process and you get a lot better sound. So that's the 2011 Gmc Sierra Flowmaster Super 40. Sounds pretty good. Tell me what you think in the comments below.